What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little fishing rod out of this, a rubber band tied to another rubber band, and 3 pipe cleaners. So first thing you want to do is you want to take 2 pipe cleaners, put them together, straighten them out as much as you can, put them on the ground, then take another pipe cleaner and wrap it around those 2 pipe cleaners just so it stays in place. So once you've wrapped it around, leave a little bit of the pipe cleaner out like this so you could reel it in like a fishing rod. Now you're going to take your rubber band, tie it around the 2 pieces here, the 2 pieces of pipe cleaner at the top. Not big enough hole. Now it's in. It should be like this. Now, also if you guys want to make a little fish, here you go. All you gotta do is take a pipe cleaner, fold it into a circle with a little tail at the end. You just cut a pipe cleaner in half, put a little thing on the end, cut another pipe cleaner, put it over like the front, made it like a fishing hook right there. Now, you can lay it sideways. It's coming apart here, of course, so you don't have it tied down perfectly. You can send your rod down. This would stand up. You can send your rod down. Fish it up. Reel it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial on how to make a little fishing rod out of pipe cleaners and rubber bands. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.